tool tray a mess like this? Not tool tray, but your tray for all your is it a mess like that? Your oils and your paints or whatever. Hey, you know how it is. I know where everything is, but okay, look. Give a shout out to some new subscribers here that have jumped on the channel. Thank you from Big Son's Lawn Care. This is Ronaldo. We have Dr. LMSB445, Henry Moraski. We got Big Heavy and the Lawnmower Detective. Like to give a great big shout out to Rayleigh's, old T-Mone over there, and the whole small engine community. Guys, been great. Trying to wait on a couple of stickers to come in so I can do them all together, put them on my sticker board over at the shop. All right. The Kawasaki Trimmer today, and what I need to do is I need to get this. What I'm going to try to do is get this top piece off and replace it with this. If I can take the top piece off of here, those two screws, and without taking the whole thing off, that's what I'm going to attempt. Okay? Because this is what I need. Wish there was a way I could just take this piece and pop it in there, but I see that little thing there. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll try to get that out first. Let's see. Okay. I got these little itty bitty screws out. Let's see. So that's what we have there. It's a whole unit. Spring. So if I can get that out, attach everything back, should be good. Okay? Alright, so what am I going to do with this until get everything ready to keep it clean there. Well, we will soon see if it's an exact fit. Screws look the same. No, they're not. Yeah, looks the same, doesn't it? Okay. Now how do we get this cable out of here? Let's see, how does that work? Does it just pop out and pop back in? Alright, let me deal with that. Hey, I've been tussling trying to figure out how to get that cable out. But I think, whoa, voila, golden. Okay, whoa, all right, okay, now, Okay, something missing. Oh, this whole piece right here. Ah, gotta have this. It doesn't screw in this time. Okay. Trial and error here, guys. Trial and error. And it's already broke, so what's the worst I can do, huh? Maybe I'll put it in here first. And then I can just hook it. Yeah. Like that. And now just put it down in there. Oh, stay. Oh, Nelly, stay. Now, how is that supposed to stay? It don't have the whole piece like, oh, this whole thing come out. Maybe I ought to use this one, huh? Yeah. Maybe I better use this bracket. But that don't look like it's gonna stay to me. Alright, let's try to figure that out. Okay, take this one out, put this one in. Oh, now I gotta take it. Okay, I gotta take this back out now, right? I gotta do this. Yeah, I gotta screw it in. Right? Alright, now I gotta figure out how to get this piece over there. But this moves, right? Yeah. Okay, there we go. Come on. Alright, got it. Somehow I gotta get it past the, yeah, there we go. Now go ahead in this little loop there. There we go. Okay, now we gotta get it in here and get the screws in and hope it works. Yeah. I like to do it together because I'm not into a lot of editing, so we're gonna succeed together or we're gonna fail together. I got it on. Looks right. And the way it's supposed to work is, I guess that's choke until you hit the trigger, then it goes over automatically, so and that part's working. Quite sure maybe it needs some adjustments here or something. I don't know. Well, let's see what happens. Okay. Oh. Well, it runs. Didn't stay running, but hey. Let's see. something set wrong. Let's play with this. I don't know. I wonder if this is backwards, and it should be. Well, I guess I could look at the other one. It should be this way to run. So when I, nah, that wouldn't make good sense with it. It was out of gas. Some of you probably already figured it out, huh? Doing more than what it was. At least it's running. Guess I gotta get it, maybe fine tune it later, but she's running. All right, guys, take care.